Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Fold 6 is updated and you understand its screens, cover versus main. Once done, enable Battery Saver and set a custom cutoff at about 20% to delay background activity. You should also turn off adaptive brightness and set a comfortable manual level. This prevents sudden spikes and saves power immediately. Make sure charging behavior is sensible. Avoid keeping the phone at 100% all night when you can moderate top-off cycles. Next, you tackle the mid-game. Apps and radios consume most power. Go into App Power Management and put seldom-used apps to sleep or restrict background data. This stops hidden wake locks. Then adjust Display Refresh, switch to 60Hz or Adaptive to save substantial battery on the main screen. Also, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanning and set location to device only or off when not required, because constant network probing and GPS polling drain the battery quickly. To finish, pick a balanced or optimized power profile and reduce screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds so the display isn't on unnecessarily. Monitor battery usage daily to identify apps that spike consumption. Update, restrict, or uninstall offenders. If you still see abnormal drain after these steps, reboot first, then test in safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If the problem persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If that fails, seek service. Battery hardware may be at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.